Hello guys. Good news for those of you who can't use Flux in your local machine. I found 4 websites where you can run Flux and generate unlimited images for free. Don't miss the last one. We will discuss about them in this video. But before that, like and share this video. Also, if you are new, please sub to my channel. Now, without wasting any more time, let's dive in. First, go to this link. I will drop it in the comment. The first website is Hugging Face. You will see 2 spaces both for Schnell and Dev versions. Let's use the Schnell one for now, as it is faster. As you can see, there is an advanced settings option. You can change the seed value here, can change the height and width of the image, and also can change the inference steps. I will keep the steps to 20. Now I will paste the prompt here and run it. You will get this prompt in the comment or description box as well. So, this is the generated image, and it has got the text right. The next website is cart.ai. You need to sign up with your Gmail ID, and you will get 100 credits every day. I have 150 credits for now. Let's run it. You only have the option to change the image ratio and seed value. So here's the generated image. And it actually took 9 credits for this image, so you can generate around 10 images for free every day. The next website is Glyphs. Here you have to sign up with your Gmail ID. Now go to Build and click the plus icon. Choose the image generator from the list. You will see this interface. You can choose the image generation model from the drop-down. And good thing is there is even option for Flux Pro model. Let's choose Flux Pro, square image ratio, and keep the rest as it is. Also, you can see the daily limit is 20. Let's run the glyph. Now here's the generated image. The last website is fluxpro.art. Log in with your Gmail ID. Let's paste our prompt. You can change aspect ratio, safety mode, steps, guidance, and seed value. Click the generate button, and it will generate 4 images for each click. Also, it's way faster than the other 3 websites. You can generate unlimited images here for free. But one thing to keep in mind that all images you generate here are public. So that's it for today. If you face any problem, please comment down below. Also, if you want to install Flux model locally, click any of the videos on the screen. And as always, I will see you in the next video. Bye guys!